I'm Mario. I'm the president of Drone Club, and we run a club that focuses on research and racing drones, and we all fly FPV so we can actually see what's going on in the drone with goggles. And then we focused on research for autonomous flight. Currently, we're trying to figure out how to do drone mapping, so having a drone fly around a room and map the room on its own. We meet at Discovery Park, room D207A. We're open up to all majors. We've had photography majors who just want to get into like the real estate photography. If you're looking to get like a commercial license, we can help you out with that. And if you really want to go into the research, we're there for that. And of course, just flying for fun. I mean, it isn't just racing, it's really just learning to fly.